Ever get the feeling that social media feels empty? Like you're shouting into a void where every comment is a cliche and every trend feels manufactured? Welcome to the dead internet theory. For years, this was just a fringe conspiracy, but in 2026, the numbers are in. Automated traffic has officially overtaken humans. Over 50% of the internet is now bots. It's not just spam anymore. We've entered the age of inversion. Advanced AI agents aren't just clicking links. They are creating content, arguing in comment sections, and liking each other's posts to manipulate the algorithm. Imagine an AI bot creates a fake outrage. Another bot responds, a third bot fact-checks it. You, the human, stumble in and think you're seeing a real debate, but you're actually a guest in a digital theater where the actors are all silicon. Why? Because engagement is money. Bots create the illusion of a crowd so that platforms can sell more ads to the few real humans left. The dead internet isn't a ghost town. It's a carnival where the machines are running the rides. Does it click yet? If you're a real human, type "I'm real" in the comments, unless the bots beat you to it. Subscribe for more digital truth.